Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Polokwane City 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by fan my brother Libiso Kimang. Utswako kai.
TV no one.
U favor?
The favor Polokwane City le Pirates.
Yes.
I don't have much to say, Wawan.
Yeah.
I'm just proud ka Polokwane.
Yeah.
They did their best, Wawan.
Yes.
Nagabeki Tominya. Today gabeki minyaja Sundowns. Agar I'm a Pirates fan.
Yes.
Wawan riminyaja Chiefs. Wawan.
Yeah.
Riminyela was what a time to be a Pirates and a Polokwane City fan. Wawan.
Yes.
We've done our part, Wawan.
Yes.
We fixed the country.
You fixed the country.
Lot of them, they were humbled yesterday. Even today, Masandawana, they are humbled. Wawan.
Yes.
Peace in the country.
Yes.
League goes to Pirates this season. I'm telling you guys. Ishwalo. Ishwalo. It's true.
Yeah.
Pirates are going for the league. 5 games straight win.
Yes.
Chamagezi, we want to focus on the league.
Yes.
Arenata Vale Beer Cup.
Yeah.
League. Sundowns, they are humbled today. Very humbled. Yesterday it was Chiefs. You know what Polokwane City did? Exactly what SuperSport did to Chiefs yesterday.
Yes.
Lots of they were humble. They came in numbers, but what did they get? Disappointed.
Yes.
No, even 1 point. One. They came for one thing. Lose. All of them. SuperSport.
Yes.
Chiefs and Sundowns. Same WhatsApp group. As a Pirates fan, now I'm happy.
Hey, man of the match, Kimang member.
Matuludi.
Number 2.
All of you guys, we have seen Matuludi, top player this season for Polokwane City.
Yeah.
Up the box, Polokwane City, Orange City. Let's go for the league. Pirates, I'm happy. Sharp, Aksanya Selo. If alone no more. Sundowns, no win for Sundowns. No win for Sundowns. League goes to Pirates. Mark my words, guys.
We don't talk too much, you know. We don't talk too much.
No,
thank you, member.
You can't talk too much.
He can't.
He's humbled.
Are you humbled, sir?
He's humbled.
Are you humbled?
You don't have to talk too much.
You humbled?
What did they do? No shot on target. Sundowns, they were toothless today. Oh, just like a dog with no teeth. I want a man, no toothless. Toothless.
Thank you,
Thank you, member.
They're humble.